Sam Altman's shocking vision. AI as OpenAI's next CEO. Sam Altman reveals the next CEO of OpenAI might actually be AI itself. He openly admits, "We screwed up," referring to GPT-5's troubled rollout. GPT-5 received mixed reactions. Some users love it, others strongly dislike it. Despite issues, major companies are rapidly adopting GPT-5 for their operations. OpenAI plans to build trillion-dollar data centers dedicated solely to AI power. Apple's Jony Ive is secretly designing new AI hardware, dubbed the iPhone of AI. Brain-computer interfaces are emerging, enabling users to talk to ChatGPT with thoughts. Altman and Elon Musk clash over OpenAI's mission and direction in heated debates. Privacy concerns and AI's impact on Gen Z jobs spark intense public discussions. Altman warns of a looming AI bubble as OpenAI shifts from tools to leadership roles. Subscribe now to stay updated on AI's groundbreaking future.